300 divided by 10 times 30 divided by 30. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer to get featured here. These are top commenters. So 30 divided by 30, which equals to 1, and 300 divided by 10, which equals to 30, and 30 times 1, which equals to 30. Do you think this is the right answer? No, this is not the right answer. We will follow simply here the PEMDAS. Okay, so we will rewrite our question. 300 divided by 10 times 30 divided by 30. So here we can see there are three operations: division, multiplication and division. As we know, multiplication and division have the same priority, and in that case we have to operate left to right. So here we should operate left to right, and in that case we have to operate this division first. So when we operate 300 divided by 10, we will get answer 30. Now we will rewrite 30 times 30 divided by 30. Now here we can see that again division and multiplication, and in that case we have to operate left to right. So we will first operate this 30 times 30, which equals to 900 divided by 30, and again 900 divided by 30 can be written as like this: 30, 0 and 30. So here 30 is the right answer. As you know, there is also answer 30, and this answer also matches the wrong way actually, but always follow the PEMDAS to solve in a right way, so you don't mistake in any question. Okay, and try to solve this math question, and like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.